Have you ever wondered if all those viral cleaning hacks you see online actually work, or if they're just a load of... Well, in today's video, I'm going to be testing some of these out to finally find out once and for all if they actually work or if they're just a waste of time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sandy, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out some viral cleaning hacks for you. We're going to be finding out if they actually work or if they're just a load of... Stay tuned until the end because the last one is a shocker. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and I will make another one of these. So let's get into the video. The first hack that we're going to start off with, a hack that is used to clean your beauty sponges. This hack is meant to clean any sponge, no matter how dirty it is. As you can see, my sponges are very dirty. I have to throw them away, but I wanted to just use them for this video and show you the inside if it gets clean all the way inside. So I have my sponge here, and the hack is supposed to work with any soap. This is just a plain soap. Under warm water, you're supposed to rub the sponge onto the soap, and it's supposed to get every speck of foundation. As you can see, this one actually works, so I have to give it a thumbs up. It actually works, but I am going to be honest with you, it's not as quick as you see in the videos. This took me about 10 minutes of just continually cleaning to get the sponge to be really clean, but I'm really surprised this hack actually works. And as you can see, this sponge has gone, like I need to throw it away, but I'm just going to open it inside, and you can see, yeah, it's really cleaned even all the way to the inside, which is a plus. This hack definitely gets a thumbs up from me. The second hack is used for cleaning dirty makeup brushes. You're supposed to get a cup, any plastic cup would do. Fill it in with some hot water. Add a little bit of washing up liquid and also a spoonful of vinegar. Then you're supposed to let the brush soak for about 10 to 15 minutes and then come back and this should be clean. As you can see, after soaking for about 10-15 minutes, the brush is still dirty. So this is where the hack is supposed to come in. You're supposed to get a comb, and then under running water, use the comb to actually brush the bristles, and you're supposed to take out all traces of foundation, powder, etc. But as you can see, this one doesn't work. My brush was still dirty even after I used the comb to brush it out. This one for me is a no-no. But because the last hack with the soap worked, I thought I would try it out. So I got the brush that was still dirty, and then I washed the brush using the soap. And as you can see, this one actually works. So the previous hack with the soap works for both sponges and brushes, so I'm happy about that. Back to the kitchen, I wanted to see if the baking soda vinegar solution would clean a dirty pan. So you're supposed to put a little bit of baking soda on the pan, then add some distilled white vinegar and leave it to soak for about 15 minutes. I left it to soak, came back, and then you're supposed to use a sponge to clean it. I tried using a sponge, and as you can see, nothing was coming off. So I decided to use a knife, and it worked a little bit, but to be honest with you, this for me is just so much work. I don't think like the vinegar and baking soda solution actually helped. So for me, this hack is a fail. Moving on to the bathroom, I wanted to see if toothpaste would work in cleaning the bathroom tiles. So I just took an old brush, little bit of toothpaste, and started cleaning. Gave it a good wipe. This for me was a no. So I decided to try another hack I saw, which was using baking soda and a vinegar paste. So I mixed some baking soda and vinegar into a paste, then use that to clean the towels. This one, I'm kind of surprised, but this one I feel like worked better than the toothpaste. The toothpaste didn't work at all. This one with a little bit of elbow grease, I think this one is a thumbs up for me. This one actually worked. The next hack is it's supposed to get rid of limescale in kettles. You are supposed to use 50% water and 50% distilled white vinegar. Then you boil the kettle as usual. This is what it looks like afterwards. As you can see, there's still some limescale in there. The final hack is one that I've been loving to try. This hack is supposed to help you if you have a blocked toilet and you don't have a plunger. So you're supposed to put 2 layers of cling film onto the toilet, flush the toilet as usual, and then the pressure will cause it to rise up, and then you're supposed to push down, and this in theory should get rid of the blockage. As you can see, this one didn't work for me. I was really looking forward to this, and unfortunately it didn't work. I tried it a second time and it still didn't work. These are just some of the hacks I've tested. If you have also tried them and they've worked for you, then let me know, comment them down below. If you want me to try some other hacks, then let me know as well. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I enjoyed filming it, and if you're new and you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe for more videos. I would love to do another one of these for you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Until next time, bye.